I'm Brandy Lawson, and welcome to another episode of Elevated, the podcast helping you build a better kitchen and bath design business. In our last episode, we explored how AI can be your go-to for summarizing complex information. In this episode, we'll explore another minute-freeing application of AI, using it for efficiency in task management and work summaries. In your kitchen and bath design business, most days it can feel like there are about 1 million tasks to juggle at once. From project kickoffs to installations, final inspections to warranty claims, it's a lot to keep track of. But what if AI could be your personal efficiency expert? Today, let's look at how AI can revolutionize the way you manage tasks and summarize work. First up, task generation. AI is like a master delegator on steroids. It can break down big projects into smaller, manageable tasks in an instant. Let's say you're starting a new kitchen remodel. You can ask AI to generate a task list for the project kickoff. It might include things like schedule initial client meeting, send design questionnaire, create project timeline, and finalize project budget. Boom! You've got a starting point in seconds. But here's where it gets even better. AI doesn't just regurgitate a generic list. It can help you think through what's needed to tackle projects effectively. Let's say you've had some issues with ordering quality lately. You can ask AI to generate not just a task list for ordering, but also a verification checklist. Or maybe you have a checklist, but there's still been some issues, so give AI the issues and the existing checklist and ask for suggestions to improve it. Now, maybe you've already got a process outlined. Gold stars. But AI can still be your buddy here. Got a ton of stuff on your to-do list today? Ask AI to help you prioritize it. It can even create a task list based on your priorities. It's your Energizer Bunny personal assistant who never needs a coffee break. Remember how we talked about pulling action items from meeting summaries in previous episodes? Well, you can take that a step further. Have AI create tasks from those action items and even spit out a spreadsheet. It's magic, but with more practical applications and less smoke and mirrors. Here's another pro tip. Use AI to verify that your task list is complete. Tell it your objective and the list of tasks you have, then ask if anything's missing. Using it as a second set of eyes can help you get a different perspective without taking anyone on the team off task. Now, let's talk about where business owners struggle the most: getting tasks off our plates. Ask AI what someone would need to know to do a specific task. You can even use this information to write a standard operating procedure. AI can essentially create a how-to guide for those tasks that are a poor use of your time, making it easier to delegate or outsource those tasks. Sometimes we've got big areas in our business to tackle, like getting more leads or increasing project profitability. While I always recommend getting expert help for those big goals, AI can help you get started. Ask it what tasks would be involved in achieving your desired outcome. Having AI help you in this way means you can take those first steps and get clear on what expertise you need before you bring in the big guns. Now let's flip to the other side of the coin. Work summaries. Ever struggle to answer the question, what happened this week? Or what got done this month? If you're tracking tasks and projects in one place, AI can help answer those questions. From individual daily summaries to team weekly roundups, AI summarization is stellar at giving you the big picture. Imagine wrapping up a kitchen installation. You can feed AI the project notes and task completions, and it'll give you a concise summary. This is gold for client communications, team updates, or even for your own records. Suddenly, creating that project wrap-up and possible case study to use in upcoming social posts doesn't seem so daunting. Now, a word of caution, remember that AI doesn't know everything you know. The tasks and summaries it generates need your expert review and input. Think of AI as your brainstorming partner, not your replacement. The key here is delegation, not abdication. Your challenge this week is to consider areas in your business where task management or summarization is a pain point. Could AI help you streamline these processes? Whether it's breaking down a complex installation project or summarizing a month's worth of work for your team, AI could be your new efficiency expert. In our next episode, we'll get even more specific, exploring how to use AI for tasks and summaries in project management tools like Monday.com and ClickUp. We'll also dive into how you can leverage ChatGPT for these purposes. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Your future, more organized self will thank you.